Hello and welcome to this quick guide. In today's video, we'll show you how to deactivate your Threads profile directly from your Android phone. Whether you need a break or just want to step away temporarily, this step-by-step tutorial will help you deactivate your account safely and easily. Let's begin. First, open the Threads app on your Android device. Next, make sure you're in the Profile section of the app. Then, tap on the two-line icon located at the top right corner. After that, scroll down and tap on Account. From the Account menu, select Deactivate or Delete Profile. Now, choose Deactivate Profile from the available options. Finally, tap Deactivate again to confirm your decision. Once you've completed these steps, you can exit the Threads app. Please note, logging in again will automatically reactivate your profile. That's it for today's guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Stay tuned for more simple tech tips delivered weekly. See you soon.